Hey there. Today's date is July 23rd, 2024. I want to talk to you about an alarming trend: people making their own sunscreen at home. Dr. Dimitri Vichas, the medical director at Eudai Clinic, has raised serious concerns over this trend. With summer in full swing, everyone's seeking ways to stay safe in the sun, but making your own sun protection factor lotion is a risky move. Popular TikToker Nara Smith posted a viral video showing her homemade sun cream recipe, which included ingredients like coconut oil, beeswax, shea butter, and zinc oxide. Dr. Vichas has warned against this do-it-yourself approach. His main worry is that homemade sun creams might not provide adequate protection. He advises that we should always choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen, which protects against both ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B rays. He recommends at least sun protection factor 30, which blocks about 97% of ultraviolet B rays. He also shared some practical tips. Apply sunscreen generously and reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're swimming or sweating. Even on cloudy days, up to 80% of ultraviolet radiation can get through, so keep applying it year-round. For those with sensitive skin, Dr. Vichas suggests using mineral-based sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. In summary, leave sunscreen making to the professionals and stay safe under the sun. For more details, you can check the full story online. Stay protected and enjoy your day.